Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs, and I am going over our 2019 Chevy Silverado with our 6-inch suspension system from Rough Country. We're going to take a look at some of the different specs of the lift kit as well as some different options that you have with this suspension system. So as you can see with the 2019 Chevy Silverado, it has the more bigger wheel wells compared to your older body style Chevys, which is good so you can get those bigger wheels and tires like you can on a Ford and a Ram. So coming down here to the lift kit, this is that 6-inch suspension system, so it's going to have the spacer above the coil spring, as you guys can see in here, as well as the premium M3 shocks in the rear. Now this one does have a block in the rear. It's going to add a little 4 more inches to the back, so it's going to sit at a leveled height. Now with the suspension system, it's going to alter a little bit of what you can run with this lift kit. With the offset of the factory wheels, you're not able to reinstall them because of them not being able to clear the spindles when replacing them or putting them back on. So with your aftermarket wheels, you want to make sure that you have at least a 4.5-inch back spacing, as well as a negative or 0 offset. Negative offset is going to push that out, and it's going to be able to clear those spindles without any issues, so you'll be able to run those bigger tires as well. Now, as you can see, with the 6-inch suspension system, you can see our wheel and tire package that we installed on the 2019 Chevy Silverado. This one is going to be that fuel hardline. It's a 22x12 with a negative 44 offset. So it's going to push that wheel out from the fenders, and you're still going to have enough clearance from that spindle. Now your tire is going to be a 35/12/50 22-inch ridge grappler, so you're going to have a little bit thicker for tread, and you're also going to be able to run this bigger wheel and tire package with the 6-inch suspension system. Now with this wheel and tire package, you are going to have some rubbing at a full lock in reverse. When you put a truck in reverse, it kind of sits down a little bit lower, so your clearance from the tires is going to be a little less, so you will kind of hear it rubbing just on the plastic pieces, so nothing major that's going to hit. If you guys want to have any more information or have any other questions that you want answered, you guys can give me a call, 301-694-4642, and I'd be happy to help you.